Alright, what is up everybody? I'm on my boat today and I'm going to show you an issue with my engine that I have. This boat has a 454 7.4 liter Mercruiser, and I'll try to show you that here really quick. The engine's running because if I turn it off and then fire it back up, it's going to fuck up the video, so yeah. But anyway, as you can probably tell, it's currently running. You know, it's just idle, but in neutral. I guess not really idle, yeah, it's in neutral. Anyways, so yeah, it actually runs okay at idle and at neutral, of course. 886 hours, you know, here's all the gauges and stuff. Has pretty solid oil pressure, and the oil looks pretty good, to be honest with you. It's not milky or anything. I had the marina do a couple things to this boat, so it wasn't running quite right. Like, it wasn't really topping out. Like, it kind of felt like it was like a misfire or something, to be honest with you. So had the marina change out the spark plugs, plug wires, the cap and rotor, and they rebuilt the carburetor as well. And somehow they made it worse. What are these people doing over here? You guys watching me? Watching me make a video? Just watch on YouTube, dude. Anyways. Yeah, so here in a second, I'm going to show you guys what this thing does whenever you try to give it like any throttle. It always smells like gas too, so like there's definitely something funky going on there. The marina thinks, with the amount of hours on this boat and like what it's doing and stuff, they think the engine needs to be replaced. I'm quite doubtful, to be honest with you. I really want to get a second look at this, so if any of you guys are into mechanics and you guys know some stuff about that stuff, let me know. And I don't know. So yeah, we'll you know, push it into idle here. So we're rocking 700 RPM or so. Yeah, so yeah, it runs like okay at this speed. You know, it's, you know, pretty good temperature, pretty good oil pressure. Now you definitely smell gas, like I said, which is not ideal. I certainly have the blower going, I can tell you that much. God damn it, man! This stupid. I got the wind behind me now, so the wind's gonna screw me over. But anyways, let me. God damn it! All right, let me go the other way because the wind is just gonna fucking destroy me. All right. I really need to get some clamps for this. So annoying. Beautiful day though. Oh my gosh. I think it's like 80, 82 or something. I don't know. It's very nice today. Anyways, so let's give it some throttle, and I'll let you guys just kind of listen what's going on, because it does some popping basically. And then if we go full throttle, it like it tops out at like 3,000 RPMs or something. It's certainly not as fast as it should go, but it stops popping, which is, I mean, I'm not a mechanic, I work in IT, but it confuses the heck out of me. So we'll give it some throttle here. So yeah, there's the popping. So just a couple pops, but if I give it a little bit more throttle, it should pop a bit more. Yeah, it's really popping like crazy. And the RPMs keep revving up and down and stuff like that. So something funky going on, but let me give it some more power. So if I give it more power, it stops doing that, and it does go faster. Now here is full throttle. Full throttle should be around here. I mean, you know, there is no smell-o-vision with YouTube, but man, do you smell gasoline? I really wish that gas gauge actually worked. I mean, it shouldn't be that empty. I don't think it's actually empty, but you know, it's never a good feeling just smelling gas out of my boat, especially whenever gas here is like $5.89 a gallon right now, because boat gas is just always more expensive than car gas. Anyways, yeah, what do you guys think about that? Some people said like one of the cylinders might be down on compression, or multiple cylinders, of course. I mean, it's a V8. And then other people are thinking that like maybe like the rotor was put on improperly. I'm kind of leaning more towards that. It seems like timing related to me. I mean, like the very little you know, mechanical knowledge I have, it seems like that. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll catch you later.